And smiles, everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this is the final video in our series of the envelope journal, the black and green envelope journal that we've done together. So I did a few things off video, and I'll show you what I did. You can see right away I moved the brooch to the back cover pocket because I found it was a little wobbly on the front, and I put this flower on. I really liked this flower, so I ended up putting the flower instead of the brooch, and it works better on the back envelope, I think. Okay, so this is the cover, and we had put the book corners on, and we had used the book plate that we had made in a previous video. And then I just made a simple closure of a clip, and I put a little rhinestone heart charm on there with a little gray pearly bead. And what I did was I made the closure. I put a piece of fabric on here like this because I didn't want to attach it directly on, because this material, being like a burlap, it's quite weaved lightly, and I just wanted to have good strength with the clip. And so I added this little piece on to the book for the closure to make it very secure, and it works very well. So that's what I did with the closure. So we made this front pocket, and it folds out like this, but first this pocket in front, this window pocket, you can slide like a photo into the pocket, just like that, or whatever the recipient would wish to put in that pocket. And then when you pull it out, you have that beautiful flower shows. And then I added some washi tape on the top. I did that off camera too. And then it folds out like this and like this, and then you can journal all on that. And then we have a pocket here with this beautiful image, and we had made this butterfly tag. And then you move on, and we've got all this writing journaling spots, and we put in this lovely page with the green bird, and then we attached this to this side of it. And this is something I had made previously. And then you just slide this off, and then you can journal on here and under here. And we have this lovely card that you can journal on the side underneath. And it has all the nice greens, which I thought fit this journal really well. And then you just slip that back on, just like that. There we go. We'll just put that back on the page. I had this on a different page, I believe, and I moved it to this page. I liked it a little better on this page. All right. And then this was our sewing pattern page, and I just added some washi tape, and I did that throughout the book. On some of the pages I would put some washi tape. And then this was one of the journaling cards I made off of camera. I'd showed you I was going to use this image, and then I had this is actually from an earring that my daughter had given to me. She had found in a thrifty shop, and she thought that it was really pretty for perhaps in one of the journals, and she was right. So with these black ones, they'll be able to journal with a white pen, and I thought that would be fun. And then I just added a slip here, and they can journal on the front and back. It's a record of transportation type, transit, I should say, ticket. Okay, and then some more washi tape, and of course journaling, and this pretty green page. And then on this side, we had put the mushroom, and you can open it up, and you can journal inside there. And then I just put a gentleman's card, which has some coffee stains on it, and they can journal on that. And they can also add to it whatever they like into the pocket. And then we had done this envelope, and in this envelope, I ended up slipping in some a journaling page for notes and such, and a little card, which I put this black charm that when you turn it over, the charm is resting on this side of the pocket. So, and a little washi tape, and this was another tag that I had showed you I was going to make off of camera, and that's what I'd done with that one. And then I just slipped it into this pocket, and there is still plenty of room in the pocket. They can add whatever they like to the pocket. And then some more washi tape and journaling. And then this pocket, we had sewed around it, and this lovely image. And then this was another one that I had done off camera, and I put a little flower charm that I thought was pretty on it. So of course they can journal on both of those. Some more writing space, and the map, and then writing space, and then we're at the middle, and this is like the black image, but this is also a subtle green page where you write. It looked so pretty, and I think it looks really nice against this tea dyed, actually I think it's coffee dyed page. And then that was the middle of our book. And then I put a little charm on here on in the middle of the book, and it's a little sunflower. I thought that would look really nice there, so I put the charm, and it just hangs down. And then we have the map again, and some more journaling spots. And then this pocket we made, and then we did both of these together, the hello tag and the this tag, journaling card and a tag I put in this pocket because I thought it looked really nice in here together. And then on this side with the envelope pocket, I had put in a few pages of journaling spots, a gentleman's card. This one is a wholesale and retail kind of ticket, and you can journal on the back of both of those, and you can put stuff on the front, and again the notes one. And there's still, again on this side, plenty of room. They can add more things in. And then the multiplication page, you can journal on the back of that pretty page. And then we did this pocket. I might have missed a pocket because I don't recall seeing. I'm just going to go back here a minute because maybe, oh no, we did do that. So this is the matching pocket in the front and in the back. And then this pretty image, and again, I put in a journaling paper. It's a little coffee stained. And I thought that looked really nice right there. And then some more washi on this page. And then we had done this. This is a pocket I had in my stash. And I thought it looked really good right here. And then this beautiful image as a tag. And then some more washi tape. And then that's what I had done, is I had moved this one over here. We had the envelope on the green one, and I decided I liked this better, so I moved the envelope over onto this side, and I just clipped it on, is what I did. And it has nothing in it. The person can put whatever they wish inside that envelope. And we just attached it with some pretty paper clips that were green. And then we had our belly band in the back, and we had done this butterfly journaling tag together. And I thought it looked really nice under the belly band, and that is at the end of the book. And then in the back, we have our pocket that they can use in all kinds of ways, and that's where I put the brooch. And the brooch is still a brooch, so it can be removed, and they can wear it if they so wish. And they can remove it when they're journaling and writing quite easily. They just have to take the clip off. So that is our journal, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I enjoyed very much making this journal. It was fun. And we will move on from here to I think the next one I will do is I have an AliExpress haul, and I think I will share that in the next video. So you all have a lovely, lovely day, and a crafty kind of day. And I will see and talk to you very soon. Bye for now. Almost forgot. Also, I forgot. I usually sign my journals. So I'm just going to do the final thing is to sign my journal. So I'm going to just sign it at the bottom here. Almost forgot to do that. All right, so now please don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I upload another video. And you all again have a lovely, lovely day and a crafty kind of day. And I'm trying to clip this at the same time as I'm talking, and it's not working for some reason right now. There we go. And we will see and talk to you soon. Bye for now.